Interesting cloud formations.
is for you to make some noise because you're about to watch the finals of our same hoisting final competition. There you go. Your arms should be straight. Straight arm. There you go. Woo! Alright, let's give it up for these finalists. Today we are going to see who has the strongest arm of all. Say, keep your arm straight. Keep your arm straight. Keep that arm straight. He's like, I am a muscle person. It's the muscle that is burning my arm. You better love this. Keep your arm straight. Keep your arm straight. Your back straight as well, alright? Let's give it up for champagne for challenging these guys to say, I can do it! Come on, just pretend to be happy. There you go. These people have battled for the whole week. And today, they're in the final. And we want to see who's going to make it. Keep your arms straight. Keep your arms. She's like, champion tonight. 1 minute 30 seconds and they're still going. I love the fact that Ohio has their hand in their pocket. Like, say nothing, this is easy. You're easy like Simon Keep your arms straight. Everybody say arms straight. There you go. You got it from the people. Come on. Like this, got this. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep that arm straight. Keep them arms straight. 2 minutes, 9 seconds. Let's cheer them on. Cheer them on. They're still going. Still going. Keep this arm straight. Arm straight. Everybody say arm straight. There you go. You had it from the people. Yes. Keep that arm straight. I love how cute. James is like, this ain't nothing. I'm gonna do this. I can do this the whole day. Hold on, brother. Yes, I'm straight. Oh. Straight out, straight out, straight out. Say, straight out. Don't bend the elbow. Don't bend the elbows. We have 2 or 3 minutes now. 3 minutes. Cheer them on. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Arms straight. Arms straight. Keep your arms straight. Arms straight. Oh yeah. This is no kids game. This is no kids game. 3 minutes 20. When you bend that elbow, you can bump it out. Oh, let's give it up for I'm not seeing the abs, I'm not seeing the chest is not coming out like this. It's back in the gym. Woo! Arms straight, arms straight. Everybody say arms Come on, Joe, keep that arm straight. Everybody say, Joe, arm straight. Come on, Joe. You are spinning everywhere. No. No. Let's give it up for that was impossible of the Titans. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Beautifully done there. All right, can I have Joe? Can I have Anthony? Can I have Horacio? Can you all stand here? Let's give it up for our champions, everybody. All right, in that position, we have
Finally, a little acknowledgement. Oh, hope you wants to make friends. You want to be friends? Why do you keep pretending I'm not here?
To the left.
left,
Take it back now, y'all.
back it up.
One hop this time.
One,
Right foot, let's start.
go right,
Left foot, let's start.
and left.
Cha-cha, real smooth.
Now shove.
Turn it out.
Come on.
To the left.
Go left,
Take it back now, y'all.
back it up.
One hop.
Midday, last day at sea. See, there's another ship out there. Quite a ways off. I can make it out with the naked eye, but not that well. Beautiful blue sea. And another ship. Just got back from the water park. It's interesting. Lots of little kids running around, but mostly they were fine. Sometimes when that water hits you, it hits hard. It's not like a fun little shower. It is like getting hit with a waterfall, and one of them nearly knocked me over. It hit so hard. But I lost a contact, but I did not.